Today, I'm teaching you how to add images to your designs in Canva. Whether you're using stock photos, frames, or uploading your own pictures, it is fast, intuitive, and great for any design project. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design, like an Instagram post or a presentation. Once inside the editor, look at the left sidebar. Tap Photos to browse Canva's built-in image library. You can search for what you need like nature or food and just click a photo to place it in your canvas. Click Uploads, then upload files to bring in your own pictures, whether they're from your laptop, phone, or cloud. Once uploaded, just drag them onto your design. If you want a circular or stylized shape, add a frame elements, frames, then drag your image into it. Canva will crop to the frame's shape automatically. Double-click the image to adjust positioning inside from the frame. Use the corner handles to resize. For free images, you can resize or crop them directly on the canvas. Use filters or adjustments to match your image tone with your design. Toggle transparency for layering effects and blending. And that's it. Whether you're using stock, uploads, or custom frames, Canva makes it effortless to place images into your designs. Simple, flexible, and creative friendly.